Once you open your Chromebook, this is what you see. It already has the cabschoolsga.org, so we'll simply enter in the S number, and yes, you must enter in the S. So I'm going to use a sample student. You enter in the S number, you simply press next. It's going to ask you for the password. You enter in the student's password. You do that, you simply press next. And if you've done everything correct, you should see this all set. You are ready to start using your Chromebook. Simply press get started. First screen you will see Clever. You do not need to access Clever. It's going to start loading some other plugins as well. As you can see, just let those run, but in the midst of what you should go ahead and do, simply type in classroom.google.com, hit enter. Once you do that, you're going to come directly to My Classroom. You're going to click on My Classroom. You'll see all the announcements that I've posted here, has our schedule and all the links. So you simply go to classwork. It's loading. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but it's loading. So under classwork, you'll see 3 links. You'll see one that says unique and news to you. You'll see another link that says Zoom PM session. So for Zoom AM session, you would click on Zoom AM session. You would simply click that link, click join from your browser. When you click join from browser, it's going to ask you your name. And you simply type in your name, I am not a robot, and click join. And you're in.